Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make homemade version of Dunkin Donuts banana strawberry refresher. This is another one of their spring lineups with the banana flavor. So I was gonna do it, but I was like, I got a couple of things, so I'm gonna do it. So it's not gonna be exactly like there. Instead of me using green tea, which I actually would love to use, but I'm actually use Sprite, some salt. And yeah, I'm gonna use this as a little bit for my cold foam, strawberry milk. I was gonna use this to make my cold foam. The whipping cream, you gonna slide back, do the moonwalk, okay. No MJ, but anyways, I got the whipped cream. However, I don't think it's gonna be enough to make my cold foam, so I'm gonna try to do a little something. I'm gonna use my banana extract, marshmallow fluff. I'm gonna be using a little bit of my strawberry spread, and just a tad bit of my vanilla pudding. The frosting, I actually used some real strawberries that I macerated with sugar, and I blended it up and I put it inside here. Oh yeah, I also did put the gold sprinkles. I was trying to do a little something, yeah. I'm not saying you have to have this, but I'm gonna have it. And I'm just gonna put it around the inside. I'm gonna put it in the freezer to get it hard because I like, sound right. I'm putting it in the freezer to harden it up. Okay, inside here, even though I already got preserves and everything, I'm still using a little bit of my strawberry preserves and put a little bit in here. A little bit of salt. Put a little bit of my vanilla pudding, probably like half a teaspoon. Guess I'll take a little bit of peak milk. Put some of my whipped cream, the little that I have left. Wait, don't tell me I got it. You just settle embarrassing me. Well, I guess scratch that. Even though I ain't got no itch, I'm gonna scratch that. It's good. It's real neat. I think I taste the salt a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna make the other little foam. I don't know if I can call it cold foam because I'm not gonna be using no whipping cream. But I'm gonna be using my handy dandy marshmallow fluff. Put my banana extract. Well, but it's all of it because it ain't that much left. Okay, I decided I'm gonna use a little bit of white milk. I am taking some from. This is how it looks. Take it out the freezer, y'all. I'm gonna put some of the parade in from the frosted at the bottom. Take a little bit of my ice, espresso ice. Hey, why would I put espresso ice in this? Don't get mad, Tay. Okay, let's do this again. Because you about to upset me. Put in my regular ice. Y'all keep making iced coffee. Okay, I put in my ice. I'm gonna put in my Sprite. Okay, now that drink is a little bit more pink. Okay, I'm just putting some more of the preserving. Add a little bit more Sprite. And I'm adding this little cold, not really a cold foam, but I'm adding it anyways. Oh shit. Oh, come on. What you gonna do? I see it erupting like a volcano. How dare you? Let me clean this up, y'all. Okay, I already got this clean and everything. However, it's already looking a little light skinny. I want it to be more pinker. And then also, too, this supposed to be yellow. This time, I'm put a little bit fluff and some yellow food coloring. I know it look red, but the top yellow. Get out the way, please. Excuse me. The first time I did, yeah, it came out orange. So I'm not gonna put them in the drop. I'm gonna put like one drop. Okay, I had to take some of that to the top so it's gonna be able to fit. I'm trying to make it do what it do. Like I said, I don't have the whipped cream, but if you have it and use it, I'm using what I got. It's not fully to the top like I want it to. I can use some of this other one, but this is like more orange. This is as good as it's gonna get. Hey out. I know the color a little off. It's giving orange. Some people call it Easter. It's Resurrection Day. I got a book on, well, not just a book on that, on all the holidays. On Amazon. It's called I Learned Something New Today. So make sure you check that out. It's pretty though. It's that refresher. It's giving kind of like a banana creamsicle soda. Like you taste the acid from the soda. You taste the banana. It's giving like creamsicle a little bit too. That's good though. Do I get strawberry? I guess with all the combination of the banana, the strawberry, I don't know how I give you creamsicle, but that's what it's giving. What about rate this? Okay, the other, I'm trying to think, which, I did 2 refreshers. The blueberry out of that one or this one. Okay, that was more refreshing because I made that with green tea. This is with soda, so of course it got that acid taste. Now if I make this with green tea, it's still good though. I feel like that one felt like a little bit more refreshing. This one is refreshing too, but it's more of like a dirty soda. You know how like Taco Bell put like, in their freezers, they put like that whipping cream to make it creamy. It's giving that a little bit with this. I think I rated that a 10. I think I give this a 9.9. It's so good though. I took this all up.